am Bhageshri More, participating in the National Jal Mitra Elocution Competition 2021, jointly organized by the Rotary Club Pune, Sihagar Road and Shabda Sadri Foundation. My topic is impacts of water crisis on biodiversity. But before that, I would like to thank Shabda Sadri Foundation for giving me this opportunity for spreading awareness on water. So let's begin with the proverb saying that a drop of water is worth more than a sack of flour to a thirsty man. We all know that there are water crises happening in these years and there are larger magnitudes in the coming years and decades. In the 21st century, there are problems of water crisis happening. Over 60% of this water is covered by the surface of lakes, rivers, etc. Just 30% of it is found in groundwater and only 0.3% of it is found in the surface of lakes, rivers, etc., which can be used for drinking water. But with the large number of population, there are problems of water crisis happening. Does water crisis really impacts on biodiversity? Yes, when an area loses its large percentage of drinking water on earth, animals die off. In some cases, species go entirely extinct. This leads to a decrease in aquatic biodiversity region. In terrestrial ecosystem region, water aquatic biodiversity varies from region to region. Water aquatic biodiversity is the greatest in tropical latitudes. What are the effects and impacts on biodiversity region? When water runs dry, people can't get enough to drink, wash and feed crops, and economic decline may occur. Globally, we are facing a problem for 2.4 billion of people on earth. Deadly direct diseases including cholera, typhoid and other waterborne diseases. Globally, we are facing impacts of water crisis on biodiversity region. This leads to a decrease in water aquatic biodiversity region. The resulting water overuse of water aquatic biodiversity thus harming the agricultural region in several ways including salinity, nutrient pollution, loss of floodplains, wetlands, etc. It also depends on the water aquatic biodiversity and overuse and wastage of water and its livelihoods. The water crisis also impacts on the entire family and the other communities and also harms and damages the entire food chain and affects the entire environment and the infrastructures. So how can we prevent the loss of biodiversity and its impacts on water crisis? The solution is awareness and recycling of water crisis on the irrigation, agriculture, farming, soil erosion, food crops and the other partnerships. The more biodiversity in the water crisis, the more purer the water is, as it will help to keep the ecosystem stable and it will help the species and organisms present do a good job of churning water, which will help to remove chemicals, particles and other chemicals in it. Thus, I would like to end with my conclusion saying is that the more water biodiversity in the region, water will help to keep the ecosystem stable and we all will rely on good food, air, water, etc. One step we all need, the one step to protect our planet Earth, and the one step, dear ladies and gentlemen, from you and me, will surely be a giant leap to all human mankind. Thank you.